told you, there is a advanced backtesting software that is right on point. Well, I'd like to introduce you to none other than Forex Tester Online. You guys need to understand that this is literally next level. You do not want to miss out on this platform because it has a lot to teach you. Not only that, it's dirt cheap. So let's get into it. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes only. Okay, so as stated, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Jumping right into it, we got what is known as Forex Tester Online. We're talking about advanced backtesting software, okay? So you can definitely say goodbye to costly mistakes, gain confidence with lifelike market simulations that test months of performance literally within minutes. So you guys, besides just kind of going straight through the website, let's go ahead and show you how you can actually get yourself started. So first, you need to go up to the very top. You're going to be able to sign up, right? And then log in. Once you officially do that, you guys are going to see right here, this is what the official dashboard looks like. Now, I want you guys to understand there is a lot of benefits here. Technically, I already got one of these open, but you're going to be able to create a new project, right? To do the testing. You guys, there is a lot of different things you can actually choose from. To be exact, if we actually go right here, all simples, you can see we got commodities, we got stocks, we got majors, crosses, crypto, exotic, we got futures, indices or indexes, I guess I should say, and metals. Okay, so you're going to be able to create your own. You guys can actually see I got one right here for COVID-19 market crash. I mean, it's got Euro USD, we even got BTC USD, we even got SPX 500, and we even have XAU USD. All right, so if we actually kind of take a look here, you guys can see you're going to be able to dive down directly into these charts. Okay, so there's a lot of important things to mention. All right, so just go ahead and tell you guys right now, they do have like different layouts here that you're actually going to be able to choose from, which is actually pretty cool. But I want you guys to understand that they got resizable charts. So we're talking about in the multi-chart mode, which technically we are currently in. You guys can see right here, we're going to be able to choose between a lot of different charts, right? Which is actually pretty cool. But you're going to be able to adjust these, right? Which is awesome. They even have a lot of updates, especially whenever it comes to hotkeys, right? So in this case, we can just go to say keyboard shortcuts, and I want you guys to understand there's been a lot that's been taken care of. We'll talk about that here in a few moments, all right? But something major that has been happening, you guys, on March the 4th, okay, right around the corner, they got trading pairs that are going to be added. All right, so we're talking about crypto. We got XRP, Solana, Litecoin, Doge, ADA, Tron, Link, Ton, and Sheep. You heard that correct, you guys. So that is definitely a big update, right? So let's go ahead and talk about these hotkeys really quick. So I want you guys to understand, I mean, the hotkeys tab, I mean, it has been updated with a new UI and now allows you guys, let's say users, to actually customize hotkeys to match your workflow. Okay, so it's actually really cool. Not only that, you guys, they do have a new indicator. If you actually go up here, you can actually go to right here, we got trend, we got what is known as pivot points. So these are pretty cool. You can actually see that, right? You can see exactly how that works. But I want you guys to understand that this is technically a powerful tool for identifying support and resistances. Okay, and then they even have customizable background for the gone by or the gain by, whatever you like to call it. So obviously you can actually now disable the background fill of the gone box graphical tool for a cleaner chart view. Very important you guys understand that. Not only that, you guys, we got something else. Obviously we got Fibby, we got the Fibbies, right? So that's what I like to call them. But Fibonacci, all right, so Fibonacci's, you guys, are going to be very important here. Actually, I think they're probably going to be over here on this side. They should have them over here, but yeah, so there they are. So yeah, so Fibonacci, right? The Fibonacci extension, the UI UX, there's a lot of improvements here. So technically they have added level fill with toggle option for better visualization. Not only that, levels are now clickable, making adjustments a lot more easier. And the trend line can actually be turned off for more customizable charting. All right. Now, whenever it comes to say fixes, they got a lot of things. So for example, there's like cross pointer, right? You guys can actually see right here, crosshair pointer. I want you guys to understand the crosshair mode stability. I mean, technically they have fixed this mode. It was disabled after drawing, say, the graphical tools. I mean, they have resolved a bug where objects couldn't be selected in crosshair mode. Not only that, you guys, there was an issue, say, with templates. I want you guys to understand, if we actually kind of exit out of here, you guys need to understand you can actually create your own type of templates, which is actually pretty cool. But I want want you guys to understand that whenever it comes to these templates, I mean, we're talking about they fixed a bug where templates were not properly applied to the gum box tool. Okay, it's been taken care of. All right, not only that, you guys, we have the pivot tool interference. I mean, they have fixed an issue where using the pivot during order placement could unintentionally switch to drawing graphical tools, all right? And then they even got the chart button display. I mean, it's fixed, right? Which is actually really cool. They've corrected the display of buttons, so which is awesome. And they even got screenshot naming issue. So there's an issue with that, okay? So now they have fixed that as well. Now, whenever it comes to UI, I want you guys to understand, I mean, you're gonna be able to unlock button icons. They even got chart style fixes, and then they even have calendar update. All right, now I want you guys to understand, obviously this looks pretty cool, pretty advanced, right? There's a lot of stuff that's happened. All right, but what I want you guys to actually see here is that if we actually go to the website, you're going to scroll down to the downside. Actually, we can go to the upside and just click right here for pricing. Okay, so for pricing, you guys, there is literally only 2 subscriptions left. They got the yearly at $199, and then they have a lifetime subscription. Okay, I want you guys to understand that one. All right, actually yearly is right there, and then they have the lifetime right there. All right, so I want you guys to understand the lifetime, it's going to be $250. All right, so that is a one-time fee. It includes all future updates, and you guys need to understand that. All right, so not only that, as I mentioned, I mean, there's a lot of important details here. So if you actually just go sign up and log in, you guys will clearly see there's a lot of things happening, right? There's 70 symbols as stated, including stocks, which are good. They got realistic trading simulation, and I also want you guys to understand that they even have other things, right? We're talking about full control of testing, okay? Real-time speed, which is actually pretty dope. You guys can see that right here. You can actually click and just kind of go through the whole little process there. Now I want you guys to understand we're talking about customizable hotkeys, how we've already briefly mentioned. We're talking about great order management. They got risk management tools, news integration, analytics, and resize features. All right, so you guys, I'm gonna highly recommend that you guys dive down into this and check it out. A lot of opportunity as stated, and once again, only 2 subscriptions left. So go check this out. You guys do not want to miss out on everything that they have to offer. I mean, I think this is pretty cool. Alrighty, so there you guys have it. The links, they are going to be down below. Please let me know, what exactly do you think about this platform? Me personally, I like it. I love it. And I think it's going to do me well. It's probably going to do you well as well. So check out the links down below. Like I stated, do not miss out. Let's get it.